everyone, Crafer here, and in this video, I'll be telling you how you can customize your button tag or a button. So, in the last episode, we learned that how you can create a button tag. So, in this video, I'll be telling you how you can customize it. So, create a new file, name it style.css. So, first of all, to make it work, we need to link the style.css into the HTML. So, link href is equal to double quotes dot css rel is equal to double quotes style sheet close. So now we have to give it a id. So id is equal to double quotes subscribe and class is equal to double quotes like. So we can okay, so let's try to make this button and come in the center. So first we need to do hashtag subscribe open and close curly brackets, then padding dash top. So let's give it 100 px. Now let's go live and check it how it's looking. So it's making it here. So we can use margin. So margin dash top, let's make it 100 px semicolon and remove padding and check it. So it came from here to here. So now let's make it come to the right. So let's make it margin dash right 100 px. Let's make it 1000 or 500. 500. So let's make it 500 from bottom also. But top and right is enough. Or maybe okay, it should be left instead of right. Left. So now it will come here. So now we can make the size bigger of the button. So padding. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Padding dash top. Let's make it 50 px semicolon. Then padding dash left 50 px. So yeah, so now we need to make the text. So for that we can use the class. You can give it in the button tag also. So like open close curly brackets, let's give font dash size 50 px. The size will be bigger. So the size is bigger now. So now we can give the font a align also. So text dash align center. Give it. Align doesn't work on button. It works on h tags and paragraph tags. So now we can change the color also. Color, let's make it red. Semicolon. So the button is red. Now we can make background dash color. Let's make it black. So it will change the button color. So we got the black background color and red text color. So this was it for this video. If you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video if you liked it, comment if you have any doubts, share the video so more people can learn coding. See ya!